নমস্কাৰ দশম মানৰ সকলো ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীক মই বিৰাজ নামা স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই এ লেটাৰ টু গড পাঠটিৰ পৰা পাঠৰ মাজৰ যোনখিনি প্ৰশ্ন আছে সেইখিনি ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ। পাঠৰ যোনখিনি প্ৰশ্ন আছে সেইখিনি মই ডিছকাছ কৰা নাই, আৰু যদি তোমালোকে বিচৰা তেতিয়াহ'লে সেইখিনি প্ৰশ্ন মই দিম। আৰু তোমালোকে যদি ভাবা যে পাঠৰ মাজৰ কিছুমান প্ৰশ্ন আৰু থাকি গৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকে মোক কমেণ্ট বক্সত লিখি পেলাই দিবা, মই সেইখিনি প্ৰশ্নৰো উত্তৰ দিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিম। ধন্যবাদ। So let's start. First question. Who is the author of a letter to God? Answer G.L. Fuentes. আহিব পাৰে writer বুলিও আহিব পাৰে, who is the writer? Okay. Who was, next question, who was Lencho? Lencho was a farmer. And what was Lencho's profession? Lencho's profession was farming. Where was Lencho's house situated? Lencho's ঘৰ ক'ত আছিলে? Lencho's house was situated on the crest of a low hill. এতিয়া আহিলে, what does crest mean? Crest মানে কি? Top of a hill. কেতিয়াবা ক্ৰেষ্টৰ মিনিংটো এনেকৈও আহিব পাৰে বা বেলেগ ধৰণে চেণ্টেন্সত আহি যাব পাৰে, ফিল ইন দ্য ব্লেংকছত আহি যাব পাৰে। অ'কে, চ' ইউ হেভ টু ৰিমেম্বাৰ দ্য মিনিং। ৱেৰ দেয়াৰ আদাৰ হাউচেছ ইন দ্য এণ্টায়াৰ ভেলি? আৰু বেলেগ ঘৰ আছিলেনে? নাই। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, হোৱাট ৱাজ দ্য অনলি থিং দ্য আৰ্থ বা লেঞ্চোজ ক্ৰপ নিডেড? You can write rain or downpour or at least a shower. Next question, what was Lencho doing throughout the morning? Gutei ratipua Lencho ki kori asile? So what was he doing? See the sky towards the northeast. Northeast or phale sai asile. Who was the woman? Woman joni kun asile? Exactly answer dia nai tat আমি guess এটা কৰিছোঁ, so we can write probably the woman was Lencho's wife. Next question, what was the woman doing? Woman জনিয়ে কি কৰি আছিলে? The woman was preparing supper. What were the older boys doing? ডাঙৰ ল'ৰাবিলাকে কি কৰি আছিলে? The older boys were working in the field. What were the smaller or the younger boys doing? The smaller boys were playing near the field. Next, from which direction a huge mountains of cloud could be seen approaching? কোনটো দিশৰ পৰা আহিছিলে? নৰ্থ ইষ্ট. So this question, এই কুৱেশ্যনটো বেলেগ ধৰণেও আহিব পাৰে। What could be seen approaching from the north east? এনেকুৱা আহিব পাৰে, কি আহি আছিলে নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰ পৰা, নৰ্থ ইষ্ট ফালৰ পৰা কি আহি আছিলে? চ' এনচাৰ উইল বি এ হিউজ মাউণ্টেইনছ অফ ক্লাউড লিখিব লাগিব, এ হিউজ মাউণ্টেইনছ অফ ক্লাউড। এইটো আহিব পাৰে, সেইটো আহিব পাৰে। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, হাউ ৱাজ দ্য এয়াৰ? বতাহ কেনেকুৱা আছিলে? দ্য এয়াৰ ৱাজ ফ্ৰেছ এণ্ড চুইট। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন, ৱাই ডিড লেঞ্চো গ' আউট? লেঞ্চো কিয় বাহিৰলৈ গুচি গৈছিলে? Lencho went out to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Lencho কিয় গৈছিলে? rainৰ যোনটো pleasure সেইটো feel কৰিবলৈ। How did Lencho compare the big drops of rain, smaller drops of rain? কিহৰ লগত তুলনা কৰিছিলে? He compared the big drops of rain with 10 cent pieces and smaller drops of rain with 5 cent pieces. বা তোমালোকে ডাইৰেক্টলি লিখিব পাৰিবা, big drops with 10 cent pieces, smaller drops with 5 cent pieces. Question number 17, how did the rain change? Rain keneke change hol? The rain changed into hailstones. Why did the boy ran out in the rain? The boy went out in the rain to collect the hailstones. 19, how did Lencho's field look like after the rain stopped? Lencho's field was white, boga, as if covered with salt. এনেকৈ লাগিছে যেন নিমখে ভৰি পৰিছে বা কভাৰ্ড হৈছে। What happened to Lencho's field after the storm? ধুমুহাটো যোৱাৰ পাছত লেঞ্চৰ ফিল্ডক কি হৈছিলে লেঞ্চোজ ফিল্ড ৱাজ টোটেলি ডেষ্ট্ৰয়ড ধুমুহাই কি কৰিছিলে সো লেঞ্চোজ ফিল্ড কি হৈছিলে টোটেলি ডেষ্ট্ৰয়ড হৈ গৈছিলে হোৱাট আৰ লোকাষ্ট নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন 21 হোৱাট আৰ লোকাষ্ট মানে কি locusts are insects which fly in big swarms and destroy crops what was lencho's only hope lenchor ekmatra akha ki asile lencho's only hope was the help of god how did lencho work in the field lencho worked as an ox in the field what do you mean by an ox of a man ox of a man mane ki an ox of a man means hard working person jene bahut kosto kori thake whom did lencho write a letter lencho ekak chithi likhisile lencho wrote a letter to god how much money did lencho ask god lencho e kiman paisa bicharisile bhagabanok the answer will be 100 pesos why did lencho ask 100 pesos to god kiyo bicharisile 100 pesos lencho asked 100 pesos in order to sow his field again and to live until the crop comes what are pesos pesos mane ki pesos are currency paisa of several Latin American countries who carried the letter to the postmaster kune loi goisile postman what was strange about the letter why was it strange it was addressed to god etu kak address kora asile god enekwa chithi aru belek poa nasile he postman e ei karone etu strange asile what kind of a person was the postmaster question ahise what kind of a person was the postmaster kenekwa dhoroner manu asile ba enekwa ahi pare describe the postmaster bikhoye kiba ta likha so answer will be friendly and amiable why did the postmaster decide to help lencho kiyo postmaster e lencho khai koribole decide korile he did not want to break lencho's faith in god so he decided to help lencho how did the postmaster help lencho keneke help korile postmaster the postmaster gave a part of his salary and also collected from his employees okay? how much money could the postmaster collect iman paisa collect koribole kom hol the postmaster could collect only 70 pesos who handed the letter to lencho lencho kune dile the postman why was lencho angry after counting the money lencho kiyo khong korile lencho was angry because it was not the amount that he had demanded from god you know he jiman khini paisa bicharisile etu paisa tat nasile why did lencho write second letter to god kyo second letter to likhisile proshno to ahisile lencho wrote second letter to god asking him the remaining 30 pesos jiman paisa aru baki asile ekini paisa aru bichari bilai second letter likhisile who did lencho thought had stolen his money lencho kune paisa sur korile boli bhabise so the answer will be post office employees last question why did lencho not want the money to be sent through mail lencho requested god not to send the rest of the money by post as he thought that the post office employees were a bunch of crooks and would steal the money bhabisile je jodi postor pra paisa pothua jay tetiale ako post office employee bilake ki koribo sur koribo pare hekane pothiabole mana korisile by post okay